Presenting the Kia 2019 Soul. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 1.6L-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine with variable valve timing, 201 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto shift manual transmission, Bluetooth and clock, in radio display. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.